And come back with what you stole from our refrigerator. Come back. What did you steal? Is that soda? No, it's lemon juice. As soon as we open the door, he grabs it and runs off, knowing. And he puts it in his mouth, and he can taste something because he makes faces.
Spilled milk left in a hot car. If it smells funny, it's probably serious.
Can I have that? Can Mama have the lemon juice back? Can I have the lemon juice back, please? Can I have it back? Weston James? Come back. You're like drunk on lemon juice. Can I have it back, please? Come here. Can I have it back? Come on. Let's go give it back. Aww. I think we need to check you into someplace. Come on. Be careful. Okay, go play with it you have 30 seconds. Can you go give it back to Daddy? Go give it to Daddy.
Can I see that lemon juice?
Weston, give
Can I
it
see
to
it? It says mine.
All right.